Good day everyone. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a free fall experiment table. First, go to Google Sheets. Then start a new blank spreadsheet. Create a 7 by 9 table, then add borders. Also, change the alignment to center. Merge the first two rows of the first column and label it as height in meters. Afterwards, merge the first rows of the next 5 columns and label it as the average of time in seconds and label the second rows of the columns as trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, and average time respectively. For the last column, label it as experimental value of acceleration due to gravity in meter per second squared. Using the text format, turn all your labels to bold. Merge the seventh row of the first column with its adjacent rows, but do not include the row from the seventh column. Then, repeat the same instruction for the 8 and 9 rows. After merging the rows, label the seventh row as average acceleration due to gravity by experiment, the eighth row as acceleration due to gravity by standard, and the last row as percentage error. Set the value for acceleration due to gravity by standard as 9.8 in bold text format. Under the average time, type equals average and an open parenthesis. Then, select or shift the cells of the same row in the trial 1 to 4 columns. Add a close parenthesis and hit enter. Do the same thing to the remaining cells under average time, or simply drag the small square located in the bottom left of the cell to the last cell where you want to apply the same formula. It should result to an error since you haven't encoded your data yet. In the cell G3, type this formula. Then, apply the same formula to cell G4 to G6 by dragging the small square. For cell G7, apply this formula to calculate the average experimental value of acceleration due to gravity. While on cell G9, type this formula to calculate the percentage error. Finally, change the title of your Google Sheet to the title of your experiment or activity. Your table is now ready. Now, input all the data from your experiment to the respective cells and let your Google Sheet calculate it for you.